This video is for developers who like to use Claude inside an IDE such as VS Code. We're going to follow the instructions in docs.landing.ai for adding ADE skills to a coding agent. Adding these skills is straightforward. You'll execute 3 commands: connecting to the marketplace, installing the specific document processing skill, and reloading your plugins. This streamlined process quickly enhances your agent's capabilities. First, we copy the marketplace command. In VS Code Terminal, open Claude Code, paste the command, establishing the marketplace connection. Copying the next command installs the document processing skill. Paste the install command, choose Install for You for activation. The plugin is installed with a helpful reminder to reload for full activation. Let's go ahead and reload to activate the new skills. Your environment is now fully set up, and Claude Code can now leverage these advanced skills to understand complex documents, accelerating your workflow and boosting productivity within your IDE. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit landing.ai.